Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to unboxing my Black Friday yarn. Let's get started. You can see that I have 3 packages and all of them are from Hobbii. One of the package is the acrylic lucky bag and I'm excited to open it. I will put it in the end to unbox it. So first we will see what I have purchased from them in the Black Friday. Let's open the first one together. So I have purchased a lot of mega ball. This one is the yellow one. They are 100% of acrylic. It's really soft and I really like the mega ball. And then is the golden one of the mega ball. And after that is the cream one. I have purchased 2 cream ones. For the mega ball, I have used it to crochet my beanie, and you can see my previous video. I have made a tutorial of the beanie, which is the checked one beanie. This one, I have purchased the pink color mega ball and also the white colors, and it's really soft and I really like the material and also the colors of the mega ball. Besides this beanie, I also crochet a lot of beanie by using the mega ball, the black one, and also this one, 2 colors one, the black and gray one. And this one is the cream one. You can see it, this is the cream beanie. And all of them are crocheted by the mega ball. I use the mega ball to crochet it. Okay, and then just put this mega ball aside. Besides that, I also bought the safety eyes, and every time Hobbii will give me a candies. Okay, that's all for the first package. Let's see the second package. So this is the second package, and let's open it. So for the second package, you can see that again the mega ball, which is the green color and also the blue color. And I'm going to crochet a sweater, and I will show you my outcome if I have finished my crochet. Okay, so beside the mega ball, I also purchased the cotton king, and this is 100% cotton, but I have never used it before, and I would like to try it because the color is really beautiful. You can see the light yellow, and golden, and I would like to use it to crochet something. So beside the cotton king, I also use my Hobbii point, because when you purchase something in Hobbii, they will give you some points. And I got the needle, because in my previous tutorial, you can see that I used the plastic needle and I feel like it's a bit soft. I would like to get a metal one, so I use my point to get the metal needle. So it's the final part of our unboxing, which is the acrylic lucky bag, and I'm really excited to see what inside. So let's unbox it together. I won't see it. So the first one is this one. This one, the yarn is thicker than the mega ball, because the mega ball is for the 4 to 5 millimeter hook, and this one is for the 9 millimeter hook. And I have never used this fake yarn. I would like to try it, and the color is really pretty. I think this one should be the Tiffany green, something like that, and it is soft. So the second one is, I think it's this, yeah, it's the same one. It's the same for the Tiffany green. This one is the dark blue, and also is a thick one, thick yarn, and it's really soft. I really like the texture of it. Okay, and the third one is a really sharp pink, and also is the same yarn for the previous one. And again, it is 100% of acrylic. So this is the fourth one and the last one, and I hope that is not the same yarn because I would like to try different yarns. So it is not the same yarn, but also it is 100% acrylic, and this one is really thin. It's for 5 to 6 millimeter hook, and this one I think is some, you can see some black, pink, blue, and some white yarn. So this is all I have purchased in Hobbii and also the acrylic lucky bag. Please comment down below, will you purchase the lucky bag? Because I saw that in their website they have a lot of lucky bags, such as the cotton one, the acrylic one, and some others. Will you purchase one? Just comment down below and let me know. And do you have you ever used Hobbii? Just let me know. I would like to try different yarns, and also you can comment down below what kind of yarn you have used and how do you feel like that. So just let me know. I would like to see your comments. So this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.